Hi guys, here's your word problem video for Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. All right, so we're on lesson 15. Go ahead and write your date right here. Today is 8/28/20. Joshua and Rebecca were excited about eating raisins. Let's underline who we're talking about. Joshua and Rebecca. Good job. Okay, so today we're going to read and draw a little bit at the same time, because when we're working with two people, it can get a little bit confusing. All right, so let's talk about Joshua first. Joshua had 7 raisins and took 2 more from the box. Okay, who are we talking about? Hope you're saying Joshua. Good job. What does Joshua have? He has raisins. Remember, at any time you may press pause and work and unpause me when you're ready. Okay, how many raisins does he have? Well, he has 7, but what happens? He gets 2 what? 2 more. So what does that word more tell us? If you're saying add, you're right. Let's put our little plus sign over it so we know we're supposed to add. Okay, so what I want us to do is I want us to go ahead and go down here to Joshua. You see Miss Sykes has already put his name. When we're talking about 2 people, we like to divide our paper in half. Put one person on one side and one person on the other side, nice and organized so that we can easily see our work. All right, so who we're talking about is Joshua first. Go ahead and trace over his name. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to draw how many raisins? 7. Okay, remember to keep them nice and organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top row is filled up. Calm down. 6 and 7. Using open circles to show what we have. Then he got 2 more. So what do we need to do? I hope you're saying add on. You're right, add on 2 more dots, but this time we're going to color in the ones we add on. Okay, we're going to add the ones we have on. So now, let's go ahead and go back up. We've drawn his picture. Okay, we're going to save the number bond and the number sentence to do when we're in the right part. Okay, so let's go back up and look at Rebecca. Rebecca had 9 raisins and took 2 more from the box. Who are we talking about? Rebecca. What does Rebecca have? Raisins. Good job. How many raisins? 9. Great. But what happened? She got some more. Good job. Remember, more means add. How many more? 2. Great. Okay, so now let's go over to Rebecca's side. Trace over her name, nice and neat. Okay. Okay. Now we want to draw our picture for Rebecca. How many raisins are we going to draw for Rebecca? Well, let's go back up to the top and look. 9 raisins. So let's do 9 open dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top row filled up. 6, 7, 8, and 9. She got 2 more. Okay, when it's filled up, almost filled up, you're going to do whoop, color in that circle. We've made 10, so let me show you what you do. Just come down here and leave a little space and add an extra one. Okay. So now we've added on our 2 more, we know because they are colored in. Okay, let's read and find our question as a number detective. Who had the greater number of raisins, Joshua or Rebecca? Okay, I want you to go to this word greater. Greater means bigger, okay? I'm going to write it really big for you right here. Bigger or larger number, okay? Of raisins. Was it Joshua or was it Rebecca? Remember to always circle that question mark So you can come back as the number detective to find the question that you are supposed to be solving for. Put a check in your read box, put a check in your draw box. We're ready to write. Okay? Today we're learning the big W of write. Okay? I always tell everyone W has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that means you must always write 3 things. Number sentence, number bond, complete sentence. Tell me why you know. Okay, this is a new one, so this is going to be our first day to do this. All right, so let's go over to Joshua and fill in his number bond. How many total raisins did Joshua have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, he had 9 total raisins. Okay, what was one part? Well, we can look at the ones that are not colored in. 5, 6, 7. Good. And he got how many more? 1, 2. If you drew a picture like this, 7, 8, 9 as a count on picture, that's great too. Okay, can you write a number sentence for this? Remember, the number bond is that tool that helps us to write a number sentence. You wrote 7 plus 2 equals 9. You are correct. If you wrote 2 plus 7 equals 9, you are correct. If you wrote total first, 9 equals 7 plus 2, you are correct as well. You can do any one of these you want, or you can do all 3. Let's go over to Rebecca. Okay, let's do for Rebecca her total number of dots. We're going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you already noticed, this is a full 10 frame, so you could have said 10, 11. Okay, let's look at her 2 parts. We know one part is 2 because those are colored in. Good. What is our not colored in part? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. We can also look up back in the story. Rebecca had 9 and she got 2 more. So your 2 parts are 9 and 2. Okay, if you did a picture like this, 9, 10, 11, that's right too. Same thing for your number sentences. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Or 11 equals 9 plus 2. Okay, but hold on guys, buckle your seatbelt. We're not just done yet. We also have to do our written part. You have to tell me the sentence. It says, who had the greater number of raisins? Was it Joshua or was it Rebecca? Rebecca, you're right, because Rebecca had 11 and Joshua only had 9. 11 is larger than 9. Okay, so down here, you're going to bring it down. You're going to use that bring down strategy straight down. And you're going to write Rebecca and then Trace had more, period at the end. Make sure you start your sentence with a capital letter and end with a period. Take your time, and I can't wait to see your work. Have a great day.